Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm getting ready to do a ride along, as you could probably tell from the whole scenery. So I'm going to do a ride along with this one. I haven't done this fragrance, and I haven't worn this fragrance in a while. This is Rich Woman Tobacco by Rich Woman Addictive by Zara, and it's the tobacco collection. But this is a really nice fragrance. The only thing about this fragrance is, if I remember correctly, it doesn't last that long. So I figure I'll do a ride along and see how it actually lasts, so I'll have something that I can look back on. So get a couple of sprays behind my neck and spray a couple on my chest. And like I said, this is not a long lasting fragrance, so I'm doing a couple of extra sprays. And also, I'm probably going to spray my skin, but I'll do that off camera, like my wrists and elbow crease. Okay, so that's that, and let's get going. Oh, I don't have my watch on. Hold on a second. Okay, so the time right now is 7:40. Just turned 7:40. It was 7:39, and the temperature. It's kind of cold. It is 29 degrees. That's going to come in. So yeah. All right. So ride along with me and let's check it out. I know this is not a long lasting fragrance, but let's just ride with it. Let's just test it out. All right. Let's go. Check-in time. All right. So it's been a couple of hours and I'm kind of surprised because I remember this fragrance not lasting too long, like be short-lived and getting really close to the skin, but I still kind of have a nice little scent bubble around me, and it is now 10:53. So it's been almost 3 hours. I put it on 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 3 hours. Well, it has been 3 hours. So I still have a nice little scent bubble, and I'm catching whiffs of it every time I move around, move side to side. So I would imagine people around me probably would still be able to smell it, like if I walk past or the Sea Alex or something like that. But I'm surprised. So let's. Got a meeting reminder. And it is. Oh, it got a little bit warmer. Wait a minute. So it's 34 degrees now. And so yeah, I'm a little bit surprised because, like I said, I thought it didn't last that long, but this is an amazing fragrance. Oh my goodness. Bad thing about it is just discontinued. I think they do have another vibe of it, but we'll talk about that later. From Zara, I think they do have a different rendition of it. But anyway, all right, I will give you another update in a little while. All right, so we're back in, doing another check-in, and it is now 11:57. Let's see if that's going to come in. And actually turned out to be a pretty nice day. It's still kind of chilly. I think it's like 40 degrees reading on my inside. But it's nice and sunny outside, so it's a pretty nice day, and I still got a nice little scent bubble going around with me. It's not projecting as far as it was like maybe about an hour or two ago. It's a little bit closer in, but as I'm moving around, I still smell myself in a good way, and it's doing this thing. I'm surprised and I just have a bad memory of thinking that it didn't project that much, or it didn't wear that well. But it's doing well for today. So I don't know if it's just because of the temperature outside or whatever. And right now it is 36 degrees. Not sure if you guys are going to be able to see that, but it's 36 degrees that I'm getting a reading on. So yeah, I am pleasantly pleased. Oh, and today is Valentine's Day. It's the reason why I wore this. I figured I would probably have it on during the day, and then I'll go home, shower, and get ready for the, Valentine's Day evening, and put it back on again for the evening. So I may do that, but who knows? All right. Again, it is, what time is it? 11:59, almost 12 o'clock. So it's been another hour. Man, it's going good. So I will keep you posted and stay tuned. Another update. Oh, I'm in the dark. Oh, there we go. So the fragrance, I can still smell it on my sweatshirt. It's faint, but it's still there. I think if I'm sitting with somebody, they probably can smell me. This microphone good? And it's about to be an accident up here. People driving crazy. And so I can smell it on my sweater, but it's real faint. And then, but on my skin, it's pretty much, it's completely gone, which is kind of weird because later in the dry down, I think it, oh, by the way, it is 2:31 right now. Let's see if, there we go, 2:31, 2:32 now. But like around 12 o'clock, the fragrance starts smelling different. It starts smelling like a incensey, woodsy kind of vibe, almost like a it smelled different. It just smelled like a wood, like a deep wood kind of vibe, like almost like Tom Ford's oud wood. It kind of smelled like that for a little while, and then it was gone. Like right before it completely disappeared, that's what it was smelling like. But anyway, again, it warmed up really good out here, and the sun came out, so it actually became a lot warmer than I thought it was going to be. And it is right now 40 degrees. Let's see if that comes in, 40 degrees, and that's it. So 2:30, 2:33 now, and 40 degrees, and it's still faint on my sweater, on my sweatshirt. If someone was sitting up against me or laying on me, they would easily smell it. But anyway, all right, I'll give you another update a little bit later. All right, let's wrap this up. I've been all day, and this fragrance has kind of surprised me this time I worn it. I don't think I got the same longevity as in the performance that I got from it today. Today was exceptional, but I still slightly smell it on my clothes. Like if somebody was to lay on me or lean on me, they would be able to smell me. And it is now 7:48. That's a long time. It's completely gone from my skin. It's completely gone from the skin. It's not even skin scent. It's completely gone. But this fragrance, man, I forgot, or I didn't know how good this was, but this is the original bottle. So They do make this over, but they now have less notes in it, and it smells pretty close as far as what I've heard. It smells pretty close, but it's not the exact same thing. And I'm not sure about the longevity of the new bottles. But if you were able to get one of the older bottles, I think it came out maybe about 7 or so years ago. I probably put the time when it came out. But this one, man, it's such this what the name of it, Rich, Warm, and Addictive, is really clear explanation of what this smells like. It is rich and it's warm and it's addictive, but it's a sweet tobacco vibe kind of smell. Man, it worked out really good. So it starts off really sweet with that tobacco. Later on, the tobacco comes up a little bit heavier and the sweetness fades back into the background. Then in the far dry down, the sweetness comes back, and then it just blends all together. It's like this sweet, like I said, sweet tobacco with like a fruity kind of note, or a tropical kind of note, not a fruity, more of a tropical kind of note. Let's run through the notes since we're here. All right. So this fragrance, it has honey. Maybe that's the sweetness I was thinking about. It's honey, coconut, tobacco, sandalwood, and cedarwood. Cedarwood, partially, sometime during the day, earlier, I think it was like around 12 or 1 o'clock or something like that. I did get this spicy, almost came off to me like oud wood from Tom Ford. Came off like that. And I was like, where's that coming from? It probably was coming from that cedar. And that makes sense now. But yeah, so that's what it smells like. Pretty much what the notes are. But I think now the notes, I think it has vanilla in it. Let me see if I can pull those up while I'm here. I think it has vanilla instead of the honey. Yeah. Now the notes are rum, peony. Oh, well, the top note is rum, middle note is peony, and then the base note is bourbon vanilla. So I'm not sure if it would come off the same way. It may, because the way it's mixed, it could end up being the same thing. But I'm rambling. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me on this ride along. This one was a little surprising because, like I said, I remember this fragrance not lasting long, but maybe I got a bad memory. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this ride along of Rich, Warm, and Addictive by Zara. And it has lasted, it's 7:52 now. So it's been 12 hours. Surprisingly, and this is on clothes. So yeah, I can still smell it on my clothes. All right, till next time, it's your boy Will. Deuces.